Say hello to the dog. Hi to the dog. Say hi. Say hi. Honey.
Do you want to say hi? We're doing an obstacle course. Yeah. Come pat him. You can pat him. Do you want to see it? Guys, we have to go now.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, dog.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Did you see a dog? Bye-bye, dog. Bye-bye, dog. Hi guys, good evening. Welcome back to our channel. I'm saying good evening guys because it's already 7:30 at night, but the sun is still up. If you can see, it's an airplane. It's there. Yeah, it's already 7:30 at night guys, but the sun is still up. Give it to mama, honey. Oh, she loves it here guys. She just loves being outside, being able to run around. That's her favorite. See, she's making friends. And she's waving. So I got home late today guys because the traffic was so bad. It took me, I think like an hour and a half from work to home. So I got home and then yeah, Dada wants to take Paris out here in the oval guys, because obviously as you can see she's having fun. She's just having a ball guys. Have a look at her. But yeah, so it's a beautiful day today as well guys. It's 32 degrees today I believe, and that's why we've got, see, we've got shorts on. Paris is just wearing, you know, like summer type of clothes, and yeah. It's another plane. Have a look at Paris. She's like an old woman. She's waving bye to the plane. Throw it here, Daddy. Daddy.
Paris. Paris. Look. Get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it.
Good job. Give it to Mama. Wow. Where is it? Oh. What's that? Give it to Mama. Wow, that's a very nice bungle, honey. It's pink too.
Let's see where she goes to.
Oh, she's gonna go there, Daddy.
Huh?
She's gonna go to the chair. She's clapping. So guys, our baby girl just ran all the way from there to here. She knows where the park is. Hi, honey.
Yeah, guys, and everybody's prize is gonna start showing up.
Yay!
Do you wanna walk in? Do you wanna say hi to the dog?
Say hello to the dog.
Hi to the dog.
Hi to the dog.
Wanna say hi to the dog?
Say hi. Say hi,
Look, it's a dog.
honey.
Hi. Do you want to say hi? We're doing an obstacle
Paris.
course. Yeah. Can pat him. You can pat him. Do you want to see it? Archie. Guys, we have to go now.
Bye-bye.
Say bye bye, dog.
Bye.
Bye bye. Did you see a dog? Bye bye, dog. Bye bye, dog. What's the sound of a dog, honey? Here. Daniel ako. Shh, shh, shh. Oh, Lord. Now she's gonna follow them. Stay, Baba. Stay. No, they're going home. Say bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. Bye-bye, dog. Oh, my poor little girl. Do you want a dog, honey? Do you want a dog? She wants a dog, Daddy.
Now, do you want a dog?
You want a dog?
Do you want a dog now?
Yeah, bye-bye, dog.
Put her in swing.
Oi.
Put her in. Do you want to make her really laugh?
Yeah.
Push her back and forth, and then when she's coming towards you, run away from her, like she's gonna hit you. Like, jump back.
It's okay. Yay, hold on, honey. Hold on. Who's the big girl? Hold on. Who's the big boy? Careful. Careful.
Yeah, look. One. Paris. One. Way.
Careful, Lydia. It's very sharp.
Bah. Bah. Bah.
She doesn't care.
She does, but I need my shoes on.
Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom.
Do it.
Come down. Bah. Careful with the head, honey. Choo choo, chugga chugga, big green car. Take this. Dada. That's Dada. Oh, who is similar you? Wow.
Wow.
Choo choo. Choo choo.
Choo choo. Sit up. Yeah.
Hello, can I speak to Paris, please? Hello. Hey, you're fine. Get up. Oh, have a look at your bum. Here. Dali na ko. Ang lubot. That is slide. Yay! And then go slide. Careful. Good job. Come on, slide. Oh, you're a smart girl. Woo! Woo! One more?
She always does backwards.
It's plane. It's plane. Bye-bye plane. Bye-bye plane. Bye-bye. Okay, one more. One more. Come on. Woohoo! Good job, honey. Whoa! Woo! Guys, it's getting dark now. I think it's nearly 8 o'clock. What are you doing? You gonna say bye? Say bye? So we're gonna go say bye-bye na. Bye-bye na. Daddy. Oh, that's funny. But yeah guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good. If you can't, be careful. Bye.